Let's get right into this explainer because the landscape of work as we know it has fundamentally fractured. Companies aren't just giving employees fancy new AI tools anymore. They're taking a drastic, unbelievable step, replacing entire human departments with autonomous systems. And look, this isn't some far-off future prediction. It is literally happening right now.
Okay, let's dive into this. Think back to, say, 2022. AI was basically just an assistant, right? It helped you draft a polite email or maybe brainstorm some ideas while you stayed firmly in the driver's seat. Well, fast forward to 2026, and that paradigm has completely flipped. We're no longer talking about assistants, we are talking about autonomous agents, running massive company operations entirely independently.
And that brings us to Agentic AI. Essentially, these are artificial intelligence systems that are autonomous enough to run really complex, multi-step workflows with almost zero human supervision. Gartner and other major research firms are reporting that this isn't just a cool tech demo anymore. These agents are already beating at the heart of major corporate operations, making critical decisions while we sleep.
So here is our roadmap for today's explainer. First, we'll look at the 2026 AI reality. Second, departments run by AI. Third, at-risk versus safe jobs. And finally, how to protect yourself.
All right, kicking things off with Section 1, the 2026 AI reality, moving from simple tools to fully autonomous teams.
Moving right along to Section 2, departments run by AI. Let's actually look at the concrete evidence here. Now, what's really interesting here is that we are seeing major structural transformations across 5 distinct departments. In customer support, human teams have been replaced by agents resolving standard issues, only tapping a human when things go truly off the rails. In marketing, agents autonomously research trends, generate assets, and analyze performance. For sales development, manual outreach is completely gone. Agents now research leads, deeply personalize messages, and literally book meetings in their sleep. In data, slow manual reporting is replaced by instant analysis. And incredibly, even in software, junior-level coding, testing, and tedious documentation are being handed directly to AI coding agents. The sheer speed of this adoption is absolutely staggering.
5 to 10. I want you to really think about that number. That is how many people it used to take to run a comprehensive marketing campaign. You needed researchers, copywriters, ad buyers, social media managers, the whole shebang. Today, a single highly specialized AI marketing agent handles the research, writes the copy, creates the visual ads, schedules the posts, and runs the live analytics. Work that literally required an entire floor of dedicated professionals is now executing smoothly in the background by one autonomous system. It's wild.
We see the exact same staggering leap in data analytics too, which used to be days of tedious human work, pulling numbers from different databases, cleaning massive spreadsheets, building pivot tables, is now executed in mere minutes. Specialized data agents have the full reports and trend analysis ready for leadership before they even pour their morning coffee. Talk about a total game changer.
Which leads us perfectly into Section 3, at-risk versus safe jobs, and the direct impact this has on you.
So the crucial point is, this is where the rubber meets the road for your career. The roles at risk are primarily entry and mid-level knowledge work. If your day-to-day relies heavily on repetitive digital tasks, straightforward research, basic writing, or data processing, those roles are actively being automated. But the safe roles, at least for now, are those rooted in fundamental human traits. We are talking about high-level creativity, complex, nuanced judgment, jobs requiring actual physical presence, and deep, empathetic relationship building. The more your daily work relies on those innately human skills, the safer you are.
And that brings us to Section 4, how to protect yourself. Think of this as your personal AI survival guide.
Here are 4 definitive steps to ensure you adapt and thrive. Step 1. Learn to manage AI agents. You've got to shift your mindset from individual contributor to the manager of a digital team. Step 2. Become the person who builds or supervises these workflows, connecting systems to achieve actual business goals. Step 3. Consciously pivot toward those high-value human skills we just discussed, like complex judgment and relationship building. And Step 4. Start using these agents right now to 10x your own personal output. If you can effectively orchestrate the work of 10 people, you become undeniably valuable.
Make no mistake, this is one of the biggest workplace transformations since the Industrial Revolution. The shift from human teams to autonomous agentic systems is fundamentally rewriting the global economy. Those who cross their fingers and hope things go back to normal, well, they'll be left behind. But those who lean in and orchestrate these powerful systems, they will define the new era of work.
So I leave you with this provocative question to chew on. Are AI agents replacing entire human teams ultimately a good or a bad thing? It's a complex issue with massive implications for our society, and there are highly valid arguments on both sides. Where do you stand? And more importantly, how will you position yourself to succeed? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and keep learning out there.